boy from Munich, and I travel all around. I've seen all the things a man has to see, but now I'm homeward bound. I've been to Rio, I've been to Paris, I've been to LA. I've seen all the goals around the world, sunshine and skies of grey. I travel on the 7 seas, I've been north, south, east and west. I really have to say, I love the world, but my home is still the best. Alright, hold Ilaria, I am from Bavaria. I have a Gamsport and I lead a hosen, and I drink no beer of